This morning, we're going to install Avast One, Avast's latest and newest product. First thing I notice, there's only one option, and that's to install Avast One. Don't forget to watch my newest video introducing Avast One. Almost finished, and as it says, I'm only moments away from more privacy and security. Currently adding the VPN, identity protection, and performance tools. Called Avast One because it includes all of those tools. Even in the free version, it has a limited VPN. Welcome to a new world of privacy and convenience. Increased privacy, peace of mind with webcam protection, smooth PC performance and driver updater, account security with data breach alerts, more storage space with disk cleaner, and identity protection with sensitive data shield. Let's get started. First part on the agenda is to run a smart scan. Let's go ahead and do this. Browser is looking good. Scanning for viruses and malware. I didn't expect there to be any, since Avast has been protecting me since 2003. And this is where I get a chance to clean up all kinds of junk, empty the download and recycle bin. I noticed that they have not checked that by default, since there is no way I want to clean up my downloads folder, and I'll do the recycle bin manually. Junk files, broken registry keys, broken shortcuts. Let's clean that up. Let's continue. First smart scan is done, and you have a choice. You can run that smart screen automatically on demand or set it up here on a schedule, and by default it sets up to run once a month. That's fine. Let's leave it that way. This is done. Under the Explore button, this is where you get to do some fine-tuning. Lots of items in here. Under Messages, there aren't any. I guess this is where you would get messages if there is a problem. Alerts from Avast. The account itself, right now on Avast One trial. I do have a license. In order to do that, all I need to do is sign in, and it will automatically pick up my license. That's a quick look at Avast's brand new product, Avast One. Give it a try. It looks like this is going to be a keeper. Stay safe, stay free. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.